everyone, this is Class from Japan Hana Real Estate. 皆さんこんにちは。So today we are here in Kyoto to showing you an amazing Japanese traditional Airbnb property. Okay, actually it's not Kyoto, this is in Osaka. So we are in Osaka, Hanazonocho. It's really close to the Shinsaibashi Namba. And this amazing Airbnb property, Hanamizuki Namba Minami. Okay, shall we take a look inside? Let's go. Here is the kitchen and the dining living area with this all amazing Japanese wafu design. And what's really amazing, look at this, it's a handmade wood table and we have the TV, very nice area. You can stay here as a dining living area, and we have a kitchen that have all the equipment, fridge, everything, all you need when you stay here. Very spacious, so very good for staying here with friends or your family. Look. Look, there's a little inside garden. One of the most special features of this property, the owner actually designed all this Japanese little window that when you're sitting here, like drinking your matcha, green tea, and you can still enjoy the little view of the Japanese garden. So what's it inside? Come on in. Look, there's a little tea room. So that's a Japanese tea room, and it's especially made it for meditation and the Zen. Like you can feel like, okay, once you like during your trip in Osaka, you'll be maybe so tired, so you can just go to this little tea room, Japanese tea room here, enjoy your matcha or enjoy your sake, of course, and just have your meditation time. You can just look in this little Japanese garden and have a really quiet moment during your trip. But I really want to show you guys one of the best feature of this Airbnb property, which is, ta-da! Look! It's a super amazing hinoki buro. So it's all made by the real hinoki wood, and this bottle is big enough for 2 person. You know, I really recommend for 1 person because you can have more like space. And one of very amazing, look, you can see the garden. So when you're in the water, sitting here, you can just really enjoy seeing the garden from here and enjoy your bath time. Usually you will see this kind of hinoki buro a lot, maybe sometime in Kyoto, but not really in Osaka. So this is very rare Airbnb property, like come with hinoki buro and this really big size and with all the hinoki wood. So this is a property that if any of you like, oh, I come to Osaka for trip, but sometimes I do really want like Zen moment, this is a property for you to stay. Okay, so now let's go to the second floor to see the bedroom and the living area. Let's take a look at the master bedroom. Ta-da! Look how spacious it is. Look, this is really spacious double bed for 2 person, and this room also really good for the guest who has a little kid or a little baby. You want to share your room, which in Japan they don't really have much thickness, good size bedroom. Then we can put another futon so you can stay here with your baby or your kids. We have the shoji, which is a Japanese door. You can open it. Look, you can see from the stair. Okay. So, okay, do you think there's only 1 bedroom? No. Let's go to see what is inside. Okay, come. Look, it's a living room. We have a really amazing big 55-inch TV and really big and comfort sofa. Yay! So this is a really good living room for you staying. If you want, you can stay here with your friends or your family. Super good size. And watching TV for 55, you can get in here after your long trip in Osaka. There's a perfect relaxing area for you. Did you think we only have a 1 bedroom? Actually, no, we have another bedroom and 2 more beds. Look, we have a 2 single bed, which is really perfect. So for the family or group guests, this is perfect. This property have a lot of bed. We also have the futon. If you have an extra guest, then no problem at all. With maximum, we can stay 7 to 8 person in this whole property. Okay guys, how do you like the Airbnb property? So if you guys coming or planning to Osaka, please come to here to stay in Hanamizuki Namba Minami. We have all the information in the description. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, also subscribe us. Thank you for your watching. ありがとう。またね。バイバイ。